This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Update and Security, then Recovery. Once there, click Restart Now under Advanced Startup so the system reboots into the Recovery menu. Make sure to choose Troubleshoot when the blue options appear. This funnels you into the set of repair tools. You're doing this to isolate startup issues before Windows fully loads, so you can fix drivers or remove problematic software without interference. Now proceed to Advanced Options to keep moving. Once in Advanced Options, go to Startup Settings and click Restart to expose the low-level boot choices. After the reboot, you'll see numbered options. Press 4 for Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with Networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with Command Prompt. You choose based on need. Networking if you need drivers or updates online, Command Prompt for script or registry work. This controlled environment loads minimal drivers, so you can diagnose crashes and remove offending programs safely. You finish by signing in with an administrator account so you have permission to change system settings. Once inside Safe Mode, run Device Manager to roll back drivers, uninstall recent programs, or run system, restore to a known good point. These actions resolve most startup problems. Make sure to restart normally after fixes to confirm resolution. If Safe Mode won't load, create a recovery USB or run sfc/scano from install media. That helps repair corrupted system files and restore bootability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.